How's it going, everyone? Welcome again to my channel. My name is Alex Pizarro, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the GODOX SL60W. And by the look of it, this is my first best budget key light of this year that I was able to afford. This is definitely part of my studio that I'm trying to build. And all the content that you'll see here, all the unboxings and the gear reviews will be on this platform. So let's go ahead and get started. So first, let's see, we definitely got the power cord, and next we definitely have instructions come in the box. And now afterwards, we definitely got to see the cover plate, and that fits in your mount. Also, we definitely have the remote control that comes with it, and then of course the main attraction, the actual GODOX key light, and that's about it. Now, I was able to find a actual light stand which is separate, and also a softbox which I got from Adorama. Now, the key light I bought from B&H and Photo, and the light stand again from B&H Photo. So those will be posted on the description, and I'll leave the link down below so you guys can check those out. Now, the setup. So let's talk about that. Setup is really easy. It doesn't take that long for me. It didn't take that long for me to actually get that going. To be able to put in the key light, it's just took me probably around 2 or 3 minutes, guys, and it's just not that difficult to be able to set it up. But afterwards, it was really effective for me, at least, of what I need in order to build my studio. Now, I did also a test on the arm length. So this actual key light, the arm length it's decent. It's a pretty decent size. Now, if you guys go with a much bigger softbox, maybe like a 38-inch or a 42-inch, then you're definitely gonna need some help. But for me, a 34-inch was plenty enough to be able to set this up. And so also I wanted to show you guys definitely the percentage that I'm currently shooting on. So let me go ahead and start off with bringing it all the way down. This goes all the way down, and I don't know if you guys can see that, but it goes all the way down to 25%. Well, let's go ahead and just bring it up. So this is at me at 25%. Now, mind you, I'm definitely using another key light right here. It's called the HP Sun, which that's a more affordable one. But let me go ahead and turn that off really quick, and then I'll be right back. Okay, guys, as you can see, I'm at the lowest. It's 25%. So right now, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it up. That is 30%, 40%, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100%. So there you have it. It's definitely something pretty nice to have. We have a remote, but on the bottom of the remote, this definitely has the temperature of the light at 5200 Kelvin. So that's something you cannot change. However, you can definitely just adjust the temperature of the percentage of how much light you're actually bringing in. So when we look at the back of the softbox, we definitely have the knob, but let's go ahead and power it on. And after powering it on, you definitely have your channel lineup on the top portion of it. You definitely have the percentage of how much light you're getting in, and also the temperature. You can definitely control it, the percentage of how much brightness you have on the knob. Yeah, and then you definitely have also the channel button as well. That channel button will definitely sync with this remote that I have right here. Overall, do I recommend this key light? Absolutely. If you're in a budget and then you really want to go ahead and save up the money for something even better, like the Aperture 300D 1 or the 300D 2, those key lights are definitely high up there. It does give a little bit of a fan noise, not that much, but guys, just want to let you know that this is pretty cool, and I actually really like it. I like the quality and the build of it, and when you put both of them together, I mean, it really gives out that premium look and for what I need. So you can definitely use this for interviews. You can definitely use this for studio setups, like a YouTube studio setup, like I'm trying to build. So, I will be doing an unboxing on my next video. Ronin S Switch Dual Grip. That unboxing is coming up next. So guys, stay creative, and we'll see you in the next one.